Hello everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Out doing a mobile RV trailer. This is the first time the CRB has seen a RV trailer, so I thought I would do a video for it. Just got done doing that sofa over there and went ahead of this area and used my upholstery tool for some of the tighter spots that the carpet wand is not going to get to as easily, I should say. And because I already had it out and I was backing away from it, I already did the steps over here. But what I'm going to do, most likely when I come back through, is run my carpet wand over those steps as well, just to be sure. But I did use my upholstery tool on it, so that helped a lot. One of those mobile RV trailers that expands out. So they got it sitting like that right now for me. So once I'm done, I'm going to put my blower going across this carpet that's next to the one I got the CRB on. That way I can dry it out ASAP. So they can close it back. Normally you wouldn't want an area rug or something like that to go on top of it, right? Look at that stuff that popped out. So drying it out is important. Making sure you don't have any issues when they close it back, trapping moisture, stuff like that. So always be drying out the carpet as quickly as you can. And then they didn't specify how old this was, but there is a pretty good red wine stain right here where I'm running over. I'm going to try and get that out for them. May have been there for quite some time, so we'll see what happens. That, see, more stuff is popping out. Man, it's normal traffic in and out of this. No pets, just kids at some point, and adults. Alright. Let's see if I can take this up there and do this back section. Very little area, just this walk path ahead of me. Like I said, I already did the tighter areas with my upholstery tool that the wand's not going to fit, and that this won't fit. So it's mainly just this walk path right here. So I already used my upholstery tool in that little opening there. And then on this side of the bed over here. Do here is grab my extension cable and move it. So if you're thinking, looks like you were done, but this will probably actually fit in that little closet area. So let's see if I can do that. What do you think? Doable? Just barely, once I pull this back. Look at that. Just enough. I'm glad that CRBs maneuver so easily to get stuff like this. I doubt this really even needed it, because who walks on this section, right? But why not, right? Now if I can maneuver my cable here so I don't run it over again. Alright. That's it for that. Alright guys, that's the CRB in a trailer. Should make a difference. CRB's first trailer. Pretty awesome. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. Hit the bell to subscribe if you haven't. I'm constantly sharing videos as often as possible, so shoot me suggestions. If you got anything that you liked seeing from previous videos that you want to see more of, or if you want to see more of like these, whenever I get some RV trailers or RVs in general, I'm going to do it again. Don't get a whole lot of them out here, but when they come through, I like doing them. Even though it seems like you're kind of confined, they're pretty good jobs. And then I've got all that upholstery out there by that truck to do. 2 sitting chairs, kind of like mini recliners. You know, look like recliners, but they unfortunately don't recline. So just sitting chairs, and then 4 dining chairs that went around this table. And then the 2 chairs that went back over here on each side of that little table. Thanks again for watching. Nolan of Black Diamond Service. You have a great day.